Do you know how to easily remove pesticides from your fruits and vegetables? I will show you 4 home tips to decrease your risk of illness. Believe it or not, there are chemicals in most fruits and vegetables that we eat every day. These chemicals are called pesticides and are used by farmers to keep pests away from their crops. However, sometimes, some of the chemicals leave a residue on fruits and vegetables. Most of the time, the residue cannot be seen without a scientific microscope or perhaps a magnifying glass. Even though we may not see the residue, it is likely that it is still consuming. Many of these chemicals can affect our health. If fruits and vegetables are eaten raw, without being washed properly, you are ingesting chemicals. This is important because pesticides can cause cancer. They can also damage your nervous system and reproductive system. They can even cause birth defects for an unborn child. It is important to note where you are buying your fruits and vegetables, and what types of chemicals, if any, the farmer uses. When possible, buy organic fruits and vegetables so that you know that no pesticides have been used in your product. Regardless of whether you buy organic or not, it is important to properly clean your fruits and vegetables to remove any residue. Below you will find a list of all the natural ways to clean fruits and vegetables. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar is one of the most powerful ingredients that help to kill the germs and pesticides of fruits and vegetables. First, fill a sink with water. Then add a cup of white vinegar. Rinse the fruits and vegetables in this solution. Once completed, place the fruits and vegetables in a clean bowl. Now they are ready to be eaten. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda helps remove harmful pesticides and chemicals from fruits and vegetables. Add 5 glasses of water to a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Dip fruits and vegetables in this solution. Wait 15 minutes and remove the fruits and vegetables. Dry clean them. It is now safe to eat your healthy food. 3. Saffron water. Saffron is a spice that acts as an antibacterial. This means that it can kill germs. For a bowl of boiling water, add 5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Add the fruit and vegetables to the saffron water. Rinse fruits and vegetables in saffron water. Transfer the fruits and vegetables to a bowl of clean water. Dry clean. Your fruits and vegetables are now safe to eat. 4. Salt. Salt is a well-known compound found throughout the world. It comes in several forms. Rock salt and salt kills pesticides quickly. In a bowl of clean water, add a glass of salt. Add the fruits and vegetables to the saline solution. Allow to soak in the water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the salt water and add fresh water to the bowl. Rinse fruits and vegetables in clean water 5 times before consuming. The tips and tricks listed above will remove almost 90% of any residue left from any chemicals that the farmer can use. They allow you to clean your fruits and vegetables at home. However, to be on the safe side, peel the skin off fruits and vegetables that have deep grooves in the skin. These are places where chemicals stick and stay. Did you like the information? If you liked the video, like it and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.